I am here in my house and Akeem come and take me out of my house and I can go beach. Look at all these beach here. He might carry me all the way to Montego Bay, guys. That's not fair. Akeem, you pay my fare?
Pay which fare, yeah, money?
You see that he might take me out of my house and I don't want to pay the fare. And then he might go tell me, say, guys, me can't go to beach, look so. Tell me now. How many of just go to the beach? Tell me just to go to the beach. You going?
You notice, you know, I'll be a broke and idiot right now.
I get the car right here.
Be a broke and idiot right now.
Oh my God, you see guys, he's calling me broke. Be a broke and idiot friend, so I have to connect with me. I want my friend. You're in a slippers. You're in a slippers. Yeah. Oh, in a bag food. Me not talk about birds and all this. Bone and cheese and biscuits.
So why you just give me the food bag?
With this vendor, I mean,
And water.
Yeah, alright.
Tell me when me the park video. After they catch do this, you know.
So yes, it's a rainy day.
It's a rainy beach day.
It's a rainy beach day, but we're not gonna have fun.
Vote for this So, where are we going? Where no tents are?
I guess they have tents.
Me know where me they go. Does it?
It's raining now, we're going to the beach. It's the rainy beach. What kind of bone you are? You're a person.
Right.
You don't have a lot of bone, you have more skin. So you think you have a lot of bones.
Boom.
So are we gonna call you Mr. Bones? Mr. Bones.
Mr.
Right,
Bones,
Blue?
that one wicked man, you know.
And that's Blue right here. And this is Blue. Let's go.
Hey.
Akeem
We're going
said
on a
that.
trip.
Right. He said he's a lot of bones. Do you believe that?
I don't. But I just really think that he's smarter than Bones.
Eat in the bag.
Snack
So
pies.
guys, this is our lunch bag. Snack time?
Yeah.
What else?
We have chicken burger.
What kind of chicken?
I mean, what kind of chicken?
Is it chicken breast? I only eat chicken breast.
Chicken burger.
You say you pick any part
We
of
have
you want
bun.
by yourself.
For me,
Oh, wait, hot dog.
so that's time I eat the breast. Then we want more breast.
No more chicken.
No, what is it? Alright.
We have hot dog.
Hot dog?
We have shad.
Depends on the type of hot dogs you have.
We have Lasco.
Last milk! Let's do it.
You can't get me great shots out of the Lasco milk bag.
Friend, we have Lasco Beach. Who we gonna make it in now? We have cornflakes. So what we're gonna eat with the cornflakes? How are we gonna make it?
We're going to see water.
So yes guys, see, they're gonna use the seawater. This is very beautiful over here. This is nice. Thank you. That's why I like you.
We can utilize them.
Yeah, we can. This one is full. Maybe we can go over there. For real. Yes guys, so right now it started to rain. And you know good enough going at the beach yet. Me come to enjoy myself but I can't swim. Yeah. I'm in a towel. You can't imagine? Imagine me come at the beach and I don't have no towel. I don't know what come up with. Let's take this umbrella for ourselves. I guess we could. We're gonna like take right here. It's a rental. How much to rent it? 1,500. So whatever what, one chair and 100. Oh my God! No, that's $1,000 off. So you hit him. You hit him. Hello, you hit him. So that one of the trays is free. You touch him. You okay, darling?
Yeah.
Oh my God, he's hurt.